start NetBeans and how to download it. Let's start. Firstly, we open our favorite browser and type here google.com. Here we write JDK kit. Open the first link, that is of Oracle. Here, accept this license and download this. If your system is 32-bit, then download this link. And if your system is 64-bit, then download this link. Since my computer is 64-bit operating system, I will download this. By pressing on this link, downloading will get started. You can see the downloading. Downloading is complete. We will open my computer and we will open C drive, open program files and open Java folder. Here you will see a JDK and JRE folder. After opening JDK, open this bin folder and copy this address. Copy this address and open control panel. After opening control panel, click on this system and security. Click on system and click on advanced system settings. Here environmental variables. Select path. Here edit this path and put a semicolon after it and paste the path of JDK. Press OK, OK and OK. Again open this C drive. Go to program files, Java and JRE. Again bin folder and copy this path. Go to control panel, advanced system settings, environmental variables and click on path. Again put a semicolon after it and paste it. Again OK, press OK and press OK. Now our path is set, friends, and we will download NetBeans. For downloading NetBeans, open a new tab and write NetBeans download. The first link is of oracle.com and we will open it. After opening it, you will see this screen. Java SE means Java Standard Edition, Java EE means Java Enterprise Edition, HTML and JavaScript, then PHP, Hypertext Preprocessor language, and C and C++. For downloading NetBeans to perform all these operations, click on Download. Downloading will start. We have to click Start Download. This downloading is started. After the NetBeans is properly downloaded, you will see an icon like this, NetBeans IDE 8.0.2. Open it. It will take some time. After opening it, you will open File, the new project. You will select Java and Java application. Then press next. You will have to give a project name. I will write my project. You have to deselect this create main class and finish. By pressing this finish, you have your own project. NetBeans is building our project. You will see here your project is made. You have to right click on source packages, then new, then Java class. You have to give the name of your class. I am writing new class and you have to give the name of the package, for example pk, then click on finish. You will get this type of folder. Then I will code something for you just to give you an example. So guys, our program is ready. Now to run it, right click on the desktop and click on run file. Look, our program is built successfully. Thank you guys for watching our video. Please like and subscribe our channel if you like it. I am providing the links of NetBeans and JDK in our description. You can download from here. Thank you.